In 2026, almost everyone wants to start AI automation, use artificial intelligence, and find smarter ways to work or create new opportunities. But the biggest problem is that most people don't know where to start. They hear about AI everywhere, but they don't know which tools can actually help them create content, save time, and automate their work. The truth is, AI automation is not about being an expert or a programmer. The most important thing is knowing the right tools and how to use them. In this video, I will show you a complete AI workflow, starting from finding video ideas, writing scripts, generating images, creating videos, making AI voices, editing content, and building simple automation systems. And the best part is, many of these tools are free, powerful, and still unknown to many people. So stay until the end, because one of these tools might completely change the way you create content and work with AI. The first step of every successful video is a great idea. Without a strong idea, even the best editing cannot save your content. For finding ideas, you can use Perplexity AI. It helps you research topics, discover trends, and find new content ideas quickly. Once you have an idea, the next step is creating a powerful script. For script writing, you can use Claude AI. It helps you create natural scripts, better hooks, and engaging stories that keep viewers watching. Now your script is ready, but you need visuals to make your content more interesting. For AI images, you can use Leonardo AI. It helps you create characters, backgrounds, illustrations, and visuals for faceless YouTube videos. But images are not enough. To turn those visuals into videos, you can use Kling AI. It can help transform simple ideas and images into realistic AI-generated video scenes. After creating your video, you need a good voiceover. For AI voice generation, 11 Labs is one of the tools that can create realistic voices for faceless content. Finally, for editing your complete video, you can use CapCut. It provides captions, effects, and AI features that make editing faster and easier. If you want to connect different tasks and create a complete workflow, automation tools like Make.com and N8N can help you build smarter systems. But remember, tools alone don't create success. The real power comes from knowing how to use them correctly. If you enjoy learning about AI tools, self-improvement, motivation, and psychology, follow this channel because we bring you more useful tools, ideas, and strategies to help you improve and work smarter.